Warehouses are huge facilities with truck entry points, loading bays, colonies of workers, office blocks, all spread apart. Each area generates wastewater from toilets, bathrooms, and washing zones. Connecting all these to a single centralized sewage treatment plant means lots of excavation, long pipelines, frequent maintenance headaches. It takes more land, more cost, and often leads to overflow issues and odor. The smarter way? A bunch of decentralized STPs. Instead of one big plant, small biokube units treat wastewater locally, right where it's generated. Shorter pipelines, no foul smell, lower power use, and easy scalability. The treated water can then be used for gardening, flushing, making the entire warehouse sustainable. Choose Waterneer Biokube technologies. Clean water, cleaner future. For sustainable wastewater solutions, please contact